my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shruti and I make content related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle. And if you are interested, please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell just next to it so that you don't miss any update. And now let's move on to the video. So in today's video, I am going to share my MyGlam products collection with you all. And I have made a video previously in this topic only. Like I have shared my favorite products from MyGlam, basically my MyGlam product collection, but that list has been updated now. Like in that video I have shared some completely different products, and in this video I am going to share a completely new set of products. These products are almost new, like I have been using them for a month or 1.5 months now. Like they are 2 months old maximum. So these are the products that I'll be sharing with you all today. I'll share what products you can get from MyGlam as well, and I'll link the previous video here. You can go and watch that, because in that video I have also shared how you can get MyGlam products for free or for a very less price. And in this video I'll share one coupon code with you all which you all can use, and I am mentioning the coupon code in the screen, so you can definitely check it out. And with this code you are going to get 70% off, like a flat 70% off on the MyGlam app or website. And that is the reason why I am showing all my products with you all, so that you can know which products are good or which products you can go for if you want to buy MyGlam products. So definitely use this code, because this is a huge discount, because 70% off, like you are going to get a lot of good options. This code is applicable site wide, like you can apply this code on any of the MyGlam products and even on the Manish Malhotra range as well. So you definitely need to avail this offer. So yeah, that is about the offer, and now I will move on to my products. I am not repeating any products. Like in the previous video I have shared the MyGlam illuminating liquid, like I had the bronzer, I had the K-Play blushes and highlighters. I have also shared something from the skincare range, like their body lotion and their hand cream, and also I have shared, I think, about the MyGlam Lit lipsticks, about the Powder Magic Kajal, about a lot of products. You guys need to watch that video for sure. And in this video I am going to share some new products with you all. So the first product that I'll share with you all is this one. This is the MyGlam Cheesy Lit 3-in-1 highlighter, blush and bronzer. This is the outer packaging, and this is how the product looks. And you can see how gorgeous this one looks, and I have actually dirtied it down. So yeah, I have now this is a really nice packaging. So this is a 3-in-1 kit where you would get a contour and a blush and a highlighter, and all the 3 shades are beautiful. Like they have another variant of this one as well. I guess I have this in the variant Poker Face. I'll mention it in the screen because I have forgotten about it. So this is how this looks like. This is gorgeous, and you're getting a full-sized mirror along with this, so you can definitely go for this. This is priced at rupees 1250, but if you use the code, obviously you're going to get it in a much lesser price. So do apply the code on the apply promo code section, and you're going to see how much of a discount you're going to get in this product. So yeah, this is the first product that I wanted to share. Also, all the products that I'll be sharing in this video are my personal favorites, and that is the reason that I'm recommending this to you. I am a MyGlam Exo Beauty creator, and I get products that the brand sends every month. But not just that, I also keep on purchasing a lot of products with my own money, because I absolutely love this product. So this video is no way sponsored or anything. I'm just sharing with you all the products that I personally love, but this is not a review video, of course. But if you want to see the review of any of the product separately, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely share the review with you all. So yeah, let's move on to the next product now. The next products are from their Pose HD range, and these are the products. So I have the Pose HD highlighter duo, the blush duo and the banana powder. So let me show everything to you all. First I'm showing the banana powder. This is a beautiful banana powder. I am using this obsessively since the time I have got this. This is how it looks. This is a completely yellow banana powder. Let me share the swatch with you all, and yeah, this is how it looks. You can see this is very pigmented also, and this will also give you some amount of coverage. Banana powders basically brighten up your face. So if you are applying concealer, you can apply the banana powder over your concealer, and your concealer would not crease, and you can also use it on the whole of your face as well. So basically this sets the face really well. So if you're applying powder products. Before that, if you use this one to set your base, the powder products will apply really well, and the makeup will also stay for a longer amount of time. And since this is a banana powder, this would go on for a lot of skin tones. Like a lot of skin tone people can actually use this one, so you can definitely check this out. Next, I am sharing the Pose Highlighter Duo, and this is how it looks. You can see I have used it a lot, and you are getting 2 shades basically. So let me share the swatch with you all. The swatch was bad, but yeah, this one is a lighter shade, this one is a darker shade, and it would go on for a lot of skin tone. You can use this one on your skin, and you can use this as your eyeshadows as well. So you can definitely go for this one. I really like it. This gives a very nice subtle glow to your face, but also you can build this up if you want. So yeah, this is the next product that I absolutely love. The next one is My Glam HD Blush Duo, and this is how the blush looks like. I hope you can see both the shades. One is a nice pinky dusty sort of a shade, and the other one is a coral one. So I'll share the swatch with you all as well. And this is the pink one, and this is the coral one. You can see how pretty they looks. Like as a blush, these are amazing because these are pigmented, but not very pigmented. Like just the right amount of pigmentation that a blush needs to have, because if a blush is very overtly pigmented, this may sometimes that can be very patchy, like the application can be very patchy, but this just have the right amount of application, and this is completely matte blush, which is something that I really love. Like there is no shimmer particles in it, like not even a speck of it. So yeah, you can definitely go for this, and you're getting 2 shades in just a one pan, and the product quantity is also really nice. I guess they have 9 grams of product, which is huge. I don't think anybody can finish this off very quickly. And all the 3 blush, highlighter and the banana powder that I showed are priced at rupees 699. So yeah, they are very decently priced, but if you want to use the code, you can get it for lesser. So yeah, these are the 3 products from the Pose HD range. Another product that I absolutely love from the Pose HD range is their Pose HD foundation. This is a stick foundation, and it comes with this safety cap, and this is how the product looks like that. And this is a very nice buildable sort of a foundation, and I do have a oily face, but this works. I have oily combination face, so this works beautifully on my face. And the best part is that this blends very nicely. I'll show it to you all. Like I will use my fingers to blend this, and you can see how easily this blends. Like just look at that, this blended beautifully. So you can definitely go for this foundation. This is priced at, I don't know, I wouldn't be able to find the price. I'll mention it in the screen. I guess this is priced at rupees 599 maybe. So you can definitely go for this one if you want to try a nice stick foundation. You can definitely give this one a try. So the next thing that I have is this brow powder and liquid eyeliner duo. Like My Glam comes up with such amazing products and packagings. Like I love this, and this is a dual product basically. So you're getting a brow powder along with eyeliner, and I'll show the brow powder first. So this is how it opens, and in one side you're getting the brow powder. The brow powder is beautiful. Like this is not highly pigmented, but this is a brown brow powder, and it would work wonderfully on your brows. Like I have used it on my eyes today, like on my brows today, and you can see how natural my brows look. Like you'll have to just fill in your gaps in the brows, and you can just use a spoolie to brush off the excess product, and this is going to make your brows look beautiful. And on the other side you're getting a eyeliner, and this is how the wand of the eyeliner looks. You can see this is very thin and precise, and you can draw very nice line with this. Like you can see this is so precise, and the shade is jet black. Also this is a matte eyeliner, so I love this eyeliner a lot. I'm using this on my tutorials a lot. Like you can see the previous short video that I have uploaded also. There also I have used this eyeliner and to make a very precise wing. So you can definitely go for this one. This is a very nice product. This basically comes in 2 variants. I have the shade Ebony and Walnut, and there is another shade available on the website as well. So you can definitely check that out as well. Next, I have two My Glam Kajal. These are My Glam Jet Set Kajal Eyeliner. These are priced at rupees 750. And for a Kajal, these are quite pricey. But the quality is amazing. Like the pigmentation and everything is just gorgeous. This doesn't smudge. Also, if you want to apply it on your upper lash line, if you want to have a very nice smudged eyeliner sort of look, you can get that as well. So I'll show the pigmentation to you all. Like this is just one swipe. Just look. This actually looks like an eyeliner. So I have this in the shade black. This is called Noir, and I have also a blue that is called Bleu, like BLEU. So yeah, I'll share this one as well. Just look how beautiful that blue is. And if you're actually applying it like that, the pigmentation will be even higher. Like this is beautiful. My Glam also has this Kajal eyeliners, and these are the Kajal eyeliners. These are called My Glam Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil, and basically you can use them on your lower lash line as well as on the upper lash line, and they have some beautiful colors, and I'll show one shade, and this one is my favorite. This is a very pretty purple. Like you can see how pretty this one looks. And yeah, I have quite a few of them. Do let me know if you want to see a separate review and swatch video on these kajals. I'll definitely share them with you all. It's a price at rupees 445, I guess, and you can definitely go for this. These are not retractable. You'll have to sharpen this, but that is not a problem at all because I'm using this all the time, and you can sharpen them with any regular sharpener. So yeah, these are the kajal eyeliners that I am obsessing over for the past few days. Now I will move on to lipsticks, and I do have a lot of lipsticks because My Glam lipsticks are one of my most favorite, and you guys already know I have made a video of these My Glam Lit Liquid Matte lipsticks. These are the most popular lipsticks at the moment, and I have made a separate video on these lipsticks, and I'll link it here. You can definitely go and watch that video because I have swatched 12 beautiful shades from this range. So yeah, I am not swatching this in this video, but if you want to get these lipsticks, definitely go for them. These are priced at rupees 395, and one of my most favorite liquid lipstick formula. The shade range is beautiful. Like they are available in 48 or 36 shades, I guess. That is huge. Like you can definitely get one shade for your liking, on the basis of your liking. So definitely go for these lipsticks. Do watch the swatch video. I have swatched some beautiful nudes and dark shades as well. I'm wearing one on my lips today. This is the shade Ghosted, and you can see how pretty this looks. Like I am talking for so long, but this wouldn't budge from the center of your lips or anything, and this is completely transfer proof, which is another amazing thing. So yeah, I highly recommend these lipsticks to you all. Another favorite lipstick range from My Glam is these My Glam Ultimate Long Stay Matte lipsticks, and one of my most favorite. Like I have also made a separate video on these lipsticks. I do have a lot of them. I guess I have swatched 7 of these beautiful shades, so I'm linking the video here. You need to go and watch that video to see the swatches and my take on those lipsticks. But these are the lipsticks that I'll say you need to have one. Like they have a beautiful formula, the shade range is beautiful, and they are very comfortable on the lips, stays for a really long time. And these are traditional lipsticks. Like they look like this, and these are retractable, but they comes in this crayon format, which is very easy to use, and these are very handy, looks very luxurious, very classy. Like I have all the good things to say about these lipsticks, so you can definitely go for this. Do watch the video, and you can see a lot of swatches there, and you can choose one for yourself for sure. The next ones are these My Glam Perfect Curves Moisturizing Matte Lip Crayon. These are matte lip crayons. Like if you do not like very dry liquid lipsticks, you can definitely go for this. These are matte lip crayons, and the shades they have in this range are so pretty. I do have quite a few of them, so if you want me to review and swatch them, actually you don't have to tell me, because I am definitely going to share the review and swatch video of these lipsticks. So please stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now, because you guys are going to see a lot of My Glam product review and swatches, because I do have so much of products right now with me. So yeah, this is how the product looks. This is a new crayon actually, so I'm not going to swatch it right now. And these are retractable as well, so this is how the product looks like, and that is very easy to use. So you can definitely go for this. These are priced at rupees 695, 95 or 45. I am mentioning the price in the screen, so yeah, you can definitely go for this. MyGlam makes such beautiful lipsticks. I'm going gaga over them for some time now. So I recently got this K Play lipsticks, and this is how they looks like, and the packaging is very pretty, and these are like lavender color, and I am in love with this. So this is how the lipstick looks like. And if you like creamy lipstick, this is a proper glossy creamy lipstick, so if you like such lipstick, you can definitely go for this. It's a new shade. I got this recently. You can see I haven't even used it yet. So yeah, this is how they looks like, and I have used another shade, so I can say that if you like creamy lipstick, you can definitely go for this, because not everybody likes matte lipstick, and even I do not like creamy lipsticks at all. But a person like me who doesn't like creamy lipstick is going mad over this one. If you don't like the creaminess that this one gives, you can definitely blot it with a tissue paper, or use some loose powder to make this matte. So yeah, let me swatch this for you guys, right? This is the shade Berry Blast. You can see this looks so pretty. I'm going mad. Like, I never thought I'll go mad over a creamy lipstick. Like, I never thought. But yeah, this lipstick is a gorgeous one. I have another shade, and that is a pure purple. Like, this is a true purple, like no magentas, no hints of magenta or pink in it. This is a pure blue based purple, and I'm in love with this one. I'm not swatching it right away because I'll swatch it in another video. You guys need to stay tuned for that. So yeah, these are the MyGlam K Play flavored lipsticks, and yeah, these contains very nice fruity flavors in it. Like, the whole K Play range is actually flavored range. Like, they have fruity flavors in it, like all the blushes, highlighters, lipsticks, everything has fruity flavors to it, which is not very overpowering. Like, this would go on in time, but they does smells like fruits. Like, the berry ones would smell like berry, the blueberry one would feel like blueberry, the guava one will feel like guava, and lychee and all of that, whatever they have. You need to check the whole range on their website for sure. Also, another creamy lipstick from their range is this MyGlam Lit Satin Matte Lipstick. These are called Satin Matte, but I feel these are creamy only. I have this in the shade Modern Family. You can see it's a very pretty nude. Doesn't look very good on me. Like, it slightly washes me out, but with makeup this does looks good. So if you do not want matte lipsticks, you can definitely go for this Lit Satin Matte and the K Play flavored lipsticks, because these are creamy lipsticks. So I am giving you all the options right now. If you want matte, if you want comfortable matte, if you want creamy matte, if you want satin matte, if you want creamy lipsticks, and MyGlam has it all. Like, I am in love with MyGlam lipsticks, so you can definitely choose one for yourself. Then lip liners are also beautiful. Like, I know a lot of people doesn't use lip liners, but lip liners are a very nice thing to have. Like, they makes the lipstick application so easy, and also they can make your lipstick long lasting. They would stop the lipstick from bleeding if any of your lipstick bleeds, or they are, you know, like whenever you're eating or drinking anything, if it smudges everywhere. So if you are using lip liners underneath, this would make sure that your lipstick is not going everywhere. So I do have quite a few of MyGlam lip liners, and they are completely matte, and they becomes transfer proof as well, and they comes in various different shades. I'm swatching one for you all, and I'll make a separate video of all the shades. So yeah, again I'll say stay tuned for that. This is the shade. You can see how pigmented these are. These are almost like lipsticks. Like you can use them on your lips directly as a lipstick. Obviously you need to put a lip balm underneath, because since they're matte lip liners, these are going to feel dry. But if you're applying this underneath, and over that if you're applying a lipstick or creamy lipstick or anything like a normal lipstick, this is going to be amazing. So yeah, I do have a lot of lip liners, and you'll see a swatch video of them as well. I know I'm going a little slow with my content. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, you guys are definitely going to see a lot of things very soon. But as of now, I'm just trying to show you all what products you can get, because there is a lot of sale going on in MyGlam, and also you can definitely use the code. I'm mentioning it in the screen. You can use this code to get a flat 70% off, which is amazing. So yeah, that is the next product. And the last lip product that I have is this lip balm. These are tinted lip balms basically. So they have a very nice slight tint. You can see here, like, yeah, these are beautiful. These are very moisturizing. You can definitely go for this. These are for 345 rupees, and yeah, I really love using them. They have a very nice fragrance also, which is very very nice. Next I have this My Glam nail paints. These are all matte nail paints. In the last video that I have shared the sand matte nail paints, the textured chrome nail paints, and also the gel nail paints, but this time I have all the matte shades with me. If you want to see the swatches of them, you need to follow me on Instagram, because there only I'll be able to share the swatches. I have got these nail paints and I'm in love with them. Just look at how vibrant they look like. Let me tell you the name of few of the shades. Like this is called By Felicia, and this is called Finsta, and this one is called Tea. This is a very nice neonish sort of orange shade, which the camera is obviously not able to focus. And this one is called Kiki, and this is the last one, and this is called Banger. I have saved the best product for the last, and that is this Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette, and this was my dream to have in my collection, and I finally have this. This is the Manish Malhotra 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, and this is basically a 9-pan palette. This is how the inner packaging looks like, and this Manish Malhotra written over it is like a dream to even have. So I will show how this looks. I have this in the shade Enchant, and this is how it looks. You're also getting a full-sized mirror along with this one, and the mirror quality is really nice, but these are quite pricey. These are priced at ₹1850 rupees, but obviously by applying the code or any discount coupon that you have that My Glam offers all the time, you can get it for much lesser. The pigmentation is gorgeous. Like I can share the pigmentation of few shades right away, like the brown, and just look how gorgeous they are. And where do I swatch? Look, I did not even touch it properly, but this is how pigmented this is, and I really love using this palette. This is a very luxury product. Like if you like to have luxury products in your collection, you can definitely go for this, and you're not going to regret it for sure. So yeah, you can definitely give this one a try. So that was it about today's video. I shared so many products with you all, and I do not know how long this video went on, but yeah, these are the products that I'm currently obsessing over. I'll mention all the videos that I have been talking through, like the review of the Late Matte liquid lipsticks, the review of the Ultimate liquid lipsticks, in the description as well as in the I button. You definitely need to check them out as well. Like you need to check these videos to know the shades and swatches of these lipsticks, and the lipsticks that I showed today, and also the eyeliners, lip liners, everything. I'll definitely share the swatches super soon, so you need to subscribe to my channel for sure to see all those videos as well, which are going to come super soon. And yeah, that was it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. That would mean a lot to me. You can follow me on Instagram as well. I keep on posting a lot of content on Instagram, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, I would put the link of my Instagram handle in the description below. You can check it out from there and follow me on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.